Hey Trey, Paul Cundiff here. So and Jeremy. So anyhow, Jeremy has cut out all the rotted wood. All the rotted plywood. We have some repairs to make to this piece of wood right here. We'll cut out the rot and we'll plug those areas where the rot was. Got the same thing up here on this piece, this cross piece right here. And then we have a place on the plywood where there was this, evidently it was a bolt holding your seat down, and we can core that and put a plug in that as well. And then this will last you probably another lifetime. Or close to it. If you want, this wood up here is good, and this wood over here and this wood over here is good. So, and we can work with just replacing what's in the middle here. But if you want it all replaced, now is the time to do it, of course. But if you don't want it all replaced, this will save you some money if we just replace this part. It's your choice, and that's why I'm sending you this message, sending this video, so that you can make your choice out of that. This evidently is the original tank. We did not find any tanks under the floor, and so we'll rebuild that tank out of aluminum for you. And that's the latest. Thank you.